Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have September's Look for Less Challenge invitation. Now really quick before we start, I just wanted to say that this is going to be the second to last Look for Less Challenge invitation for the year 2020. I am going to have this one in September, and I'm also going to have one in October, and then I'll take a small break before next year. If you're not familiar with the Look for Less Challenge, it is a challenge that I host every single month with a different co-host. This month's co-host is Corey over at Desert DIY. She is one of my YouTube friends, and she does lots of thrift flips and trash to treasure videos, as well as some amazing furniture transformations. So if you are in search of furniture flips, she is your girl. Definitely check out her channel and her videos after you're done with this one. Now, what we ask you to do in this Look for Less challenge is to recreate an item that you have seen in a high-end home decor store and recreate it for a whole lot less. You are welcome to join this challenge every month. And if you wish to participate, here are the rules. All right, so rule number 1, you have 2 weeks to complete the challenge. Projects are due Wednesday, September 23rd at 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Again, Wednesday, September 23rd at 6 a.m. Rule number 2, you have to mention the 2 hosts in your video. That's me, the Latina next door, and Corey over at Desert DIY. Make sure to link to our channels as well as the playlist link, which we will have live that morning, where you can add your video to the playlist. If you don't have a YouTube channel, that's totally fine. You can always make a project if you wish and tag us on Instagram. Rule number 3, the item has to be a home decor piece. It can be as small as a napkin ring or as big as a piece of furniture. That one is up to you. Rule number 4, and probably the most important, we want to see your inspiration piece as well as a price next to your recreation, because we want to see how well you did and how much you saved. Those are the 4 rules if you wish to participate in this month's Look for Less challenge. Now, make sure to visit Corey over on her channel and let her know that I sent you, and I look forward to seeing what everyone creates this month. I'll see you back here in the next video. Until then, adios.